As a conscientious health supplement consumer, I'd like to offer my thoughts about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It was really difficult to remain active during the COVID-19 global pandemic, with lockdowns in place. And it was extremely frustrating to feel restrained, so when I discovered this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, I decided to research it, examine the components, and see if it helps. Therefore, I decided to make this video to show you what I discovered, what are the key ingredients, and how it benefits our bodies. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss anything. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is legitimate, natural, and only good for your health, and I'll explain why. It aids in the removal of unwanted localized fat throughout your body, particularly around your abdomen and waistline. In this video I will explain what are the main ingredients. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? What are the pros and cons of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Are there any side effects? Should you buy it or not? List of ingredients. What are you actually putting inside your body and what are their functions? ECGC is a compound found in green and white tea extracts and it is associated with the stimulation of thermogenesis. The process of thermogenesis burns extra calories and reduces fat. It also converts more of the body fat into energy. Piperine is extracted from black pepper. Piperine is a powerful antioxidant that helps digestion and blocks the accumulation of fat in the adipocyte. It also supports the healthy metabolism of sugar in your bloodstream. You may wonder what adipocyte is. To put it in simple terms, adipocytes are fat cells that specialize in storing energy as fat, which is something you don't want. Bitter melon helps reduce blood sugar levels, reduces the risk of diabetes and obesity, and helps protect your digestive system. Bitter melon is widely used in Asian cuisine, particularly in Okinawa. Hibiscus is widely used in Asian cuisine. Hibiscus helps reduce body fat and helps prevent high blood pressure and high cholesterol. What is mulberry good for? It regulates blood sugar levels and has a substance called rutin. Rutin is a flavonoid that is mostly found in red, purple, or blue color plants. Rutin is a powerful antioxidant that helps burn fat in the body. Ackee berry is originally from the Amazon region of South America. Ackee berries are rich in a substance called anthocyanins. Yep, another scientific term. Anthocyanins is a flavonoid, pigments, found in red, purple, or blue plants. Anthocyanins have been scientifically credited with the capacity to enhance memory and prevent age-related decline in neural function. This compound also minimizes fat absorption during mealtimes. Aronia berry is another potent antioxidant. It is rich in fiber and renews the inflamed digestive system. It also improves our immune system, and it is a great source of energy. Inulin is sourced from either blue agave or chicory roots. It has digestive calming benefits which reduce cravings for high-calorie foods as well as reduce visceral fat. Before we move on, please leave your like, comment, and share this video. There's a lot of work and research on this presentations so that you receive honest and valid information about the benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? The question is, how do we get fat in the first place? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works on one of the root causes of obesity. An inflammatory protein called CRP, or C-reactive protein, blocks the fat-burning hormone called adiponectin, causing the body to be unable to break down nutrients into energy. Instead, they are stored as fat. The overall formula of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is designed specifically to help reverse this cycle by stimulating the levels of adiponectin to naturally increase while keeping CRP levels in check through metabolic improvement. But remember, don't just rely on this because there is not a magic potion out there that will make you lose weight without even moving your body. What are the things I like about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? It is 100% all natural and free from allergens. Makes me feel more energetic as a result of the improved metabolism. It promotes weight loss through improved metabolism. Helps improve cognitive clarity and vitality. You only need 1 scoop a day in the morning, 1 hour after a light breakfast. It comes in a very convenient powder form which you can mix with your favorite drinks. It supports the health of your digestive system. Improves metabolism which acts directly on the root causes of fat. Due to its powerful blend of antioxidants, it increases energy levels. It promotes an anti-inflammatory response. It is approved by FDA and it is GMP certified. FDA stands for Food and Drug Administration. It is a U.S. agency responsible for protecting public health by regulating the safety and standards of biological products. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. It is an international organization that ensures that products are produced according to quality standards. What I don't like about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You cannot purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at your local stores, only through the official website. It should be avoided by pregnant or breastfeeding women. It is not suitable for children under the age of 18. The link to the official website is in the description below. Note that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not available at Amazon or Walmart. Are there any side effects of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The answer is no. It is safe to consume and I haven't had any side effects whatsoever. Should you purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? My recommendation is yes, because the product is manufactured to the highest standards required by FDA and GMP. It is 100% natural and allergen-free and it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied with the product, simply return it, or the empty bottles, anytime within 90 days. There will be no questions asked. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.